Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I will explain how you can take continuation trades using the moving average. If you're new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description, so make sure to check it out. We have already made a video explaining how the EMA works. If you haven't watched it yet, I recommend watching our previous videos so you can understand this strategy better. In this video, I am using the exponential moving average, EMA, but instead of using it for reversal trades, I will show you how to use it for continuation trades. So let's get started. First, let me explain how the continuation method works. Here you can see that the market is in a downtrend. After that, the price breaks above the moving average and then retraces back toward it. This is where you can look for a buy trade if the trend has changed. Similarly, when the price breaks below the moving average and then retraces back to it, you can look for a sell trade in the direction of the new trend. This is how the continuation strategy works. Let me show you a few more examples on different assets. Here you can see the market moving in an uptrend. The price breaks above the moving average, retraces back to it, and then continues moving upward. This gives you a good opportunity to place a buy trade. Likewise, when the price breaks below the moving average, retraces back to it, and then starts moving downward again, you can place a sell trade. This is how you can use the continuation strategy with the help of the moving average, and it works very well when you follow the trend. Here you can see that the price broke below the moving average, retraced back to it, and then continued moving downward. The previous candle also closed near the moving average, so I placed another downside trade in the direction of the trend. As I always say, if you place trades in the direction of the trend, you will generally achieve better accuracy. Right now the trade is in our favor, but I entered a little late because I placed the trade near the end of the candle. The setup itself was correct, but my entry timing was not perfect. Let's wait a few more seconds. And yes, we won the trade. This is how you can use the continuation strategy and take retracement trades with the help of the EMA. In my next video, I will also explain how you can combine this strategy with support and resistance, SNR. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.